picture. The child arrives like a mystery box.
with puzzle pieces inside.
The child arrives like a mystery box.
With puzzle pieces inside.
Some of the pieces are broken or missing.
And others just seem to hide.
But the heart of a teacher can sort them out.
And help the child to see
The potential for greatness he or she has within.
a picture of what he or she can be
A goal isn't just to teach knowledge.
by filling the box with more parts.
Her goal isn't just to teach knowledge.
By filling the box with more parts
It's putting the pieces together.
and creating a work of art.
The process is painfully slow at times.
Some need more help than others,
Each child is a work in progress.
with various shapes and colors,
First, she creates a classroom.
where the child can feel safe in school.
First, she creates a classroom
Where the child can feel safe in school.
where he or she never feels threatened or afraid to try.
And kindness is always the rule.
She knows that a child can achieve.
जगाचा प्रकाश आहा. डोंगरावर वसलेले नगर लपू शकत नाही. दिवा लावून मापाखाली ठेवीत नसतात. दिवठणीवर ठेवतात, म्हणजे तो घरातल्या सर्वांना प्रकाश देतो. त्याचप्रमाणे तुमचा प्रकाश लोकांसमोर असा पडू द्या की त्यांनी तुमचा सत्कर्मे पाहून तुमच्या स्वर्गातील पित्याचे गौरव करावे. हा प्रभूचा शब्द आहे.
Earnestly pray for various intentions.
प्रत्येक प्रार्थनेनंतर आपल्या सर्वांचं उत्तर आहे, प्रार्थना में जो कुछ मांगा पूरा करो अरमान. प्रार्थना में जो कुछ मांगा पूरा करो अरमान. हे दयावंत सर्वशक्तिमान प्रभू, आमच्या संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष आदरणीय महागुरु स्वामी, संस्थेच्या संचालक मंडळातील सर्व धर्मगुरू व संस्थेला वेळोवेळी मार्गदर्शन करणाऱ्या सर्व धर्मगुरूंवर व इतर सर्व लोकांवर तुझा नेहमी आशीर्वाद राहू दे. त्यांच्या प्रयत्नांना चांगले यश दे व आमच्या संस्थेची भरभराट होऊ दे. म्हणून आम्ही तुझ्याकडे प्रार्थना करतो. प्रार्थना में जो कुछ मांगा पूरा करो अरमान.
हे प्रभू, आमचे प्रिन्सिपल आदरणीय फादर स्वामी व शाळेच्या सर्व सिस्टर जे शाळेसाठी अहोरात्र कष्ट घेतात, त्यांना तू आशीर्वादित कर. त्यांना नेहमी निरोगी ठेव. त्यांच्या सर्व योजना व संकल्पना तू पूर्ण होऊ दे. म्हणून आम्ही तुझ्या चरणी प्रार्थना करतो.
प्रार्थना में जो कुछ मांगा पूरा करो अरमान.
हे प्रभू, आमच्या संस्थेतील सर्व शिक्षकांना व इतरही सर्व शिक्षकांना जे या कोरोना महामारीच्या काळातही विद्यादानाचे आपले कार्य प्रामाणिकपणे करत आहेत, त्या सर्व शिक्षकांना व त्यांच्या कुटुंबातील प्रत्येक सदस्यांना तू आशीर्वादित कर. सर्वांना चांगले आरोग्य व नैतिक बळ दे. सर्वांच्या घरात सुख शांती राहू दे. म्हणून आम्ही प्रार्थना करतो.
प्रार्थना में जो कुछ मांगा पूरा करो.
हे दयावंत प्रभो, अनेक लोक जे सामाजिक संस्थेच्या माध्यमातून आपल्या देशातील दुर्गम आदिवासी भागात खेडोपाडी जाऊन तेथील जनतेमध्ये शिक्षणाचा प्रसार करतात, त्यांना त्यांच्या हक्काची जाणीव करून देऊन त्यांच्या जीवनात मूलभूत बदल घडवून आणतात. अशा सर्व शिक्षकांसाठी विशेष करून आपला जीवन विकास संस्था या संस्थेचे संचालक फादर जोश, सिस्टर जेनिफर, सर्व अधिकारी व सर्व कर्मचाऱ्यांना आशीर्वादित कर. त्यांना सदैव सुरक्षित ठेव, यासाठी आम्ही प्रार्थना करतो.
Go like the world, take your candle, and go like the world. We are a family whose hearts are blazing. So let's raise our candles and light up the sky, praying to our Father.
The new musicians and the new singers, the new orchestra team. Please don't go away. Yes. Here we begin. नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामे हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार. तो बोलो
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देव महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
तो बोलो
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देव महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
तो बोलो
गुरु ब्रह्मा
गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. तर्क तितर 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 तर्क तितर. ऐसा सुहाना दिन लाया खुशियाँ बाहर लेके आया, खुशियाँ बाहर लेके. कैसा सुहाना दिन लाया
खुशियाँ बाहर लेके
आया. तर्क तितर तर्क तितर तर्क तितर तर्क तितर तर्क तितर तर्क तितर tark titar tark titar tark titar tark titar tark titar tark titar
मिल मिलकर आए हम कहने
कहने Happy Teachers Day to you
मिलकर आए हम
कहने
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू यू
कहने
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू यू
tark titar 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 tark titar
सेक्रेड हाई स्कूल से हम आए आपका सम्मान करने, आए आपका सम्मान करने।
सेक्रेड हाई स्कूल से हम
आए
आपका सम्मान करने
आए
आपका सम्मान करने
tark titar 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 tark titar
ईश्वर का आशीष हो आप पर, यही हमारी दुआ, निरंतर यही हमारी दुआ।
hey
ईश्वर का आशीष हो आप पर, यही हमारी दुआ, निरंतर यही हमारी दुआ
tark titar 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 बारंबार दिन आए बारंबार दिन आए बारंबार दिन आए बारंबार दिन आए तुम जियो हजारों साल यही हमारी तुम जियो हजारों साल यही हमारी Happy Teachers Happy Teachers Day to you
Happy Teachers Day,
Dear teachers
Happy Teachers Day,
Dear teachers La 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 la
all the teachers, respected Principal Parsami and all the sisters, a very, very happy Teachers' Day. Today we have a lot of singing and poems, and therefore I too will begin with a poem. The title of the poem is The Touch of the Master's Hand. Please listen carefully. It was battered and scarred, and the auctioneer thought it hardly worth his while to waste his time on that old violin, but he held it up with a smile. "What am I bid, good people?" he cried. "Who starts the bidding for me? $1? $1 do I hear two? $2? Who makes it three? $3 once, $3 twice, and going for three." But no, from the room far back a grey-bearded man came forward and picked up the bow. Then wiping the dust from the old violin and tightening up the strings, he played a melody, pure and sweet as the angel sings. The music ceased, and the auctioneer, with a voice that was quiet and low, said, "What now am I bid for this old violin?" And he held it aloft with its bow. $1,000. 1,000? Do you hear? 2. $2,000 and who will make it 3? 3,000 once, 3,000 twice, going and gone. The audience cheered, but some of them cried. We just don't understand what changed its worth. And swift came the reply, the touch of the master's hand. The touch of the master's hand. And many a man with life out of tune, all battered and bruised with hardship, is auctioned cheap to the thoughtless crowd, much like that old violin. A message portage, a glass of wine, a game, and he travels on his going once.
I now request Sir Nayan to kindly come forward and propose the vote of thanks.
Teachers are the role models to the young generation. They affect the heart of every child and they continue to affect eternity in the days to come. Dear respected teachers, our guiding stars, wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. We feel it is our great pride and honor on this day to thank all our alma maters who have played a great role in making us what we are. Our first thanks goes to our loving and respected principal, Reverend Father Sami, who is the source of all inspiration and who always guides us, keeping in the future mind and preparing us to face all the challenges of life in a more positive way. I would like to express my sincere thanks to our chief guest, Father Jose, and guests of honor, Father Peter and Father Arvind, for gracing today's program with your esteemed presence. Thank you, Father Jose, for your very thought-provoking and intelligent address. You have truly inspired and motivated us to give our very best in the coming future for the betterment of our children and good for the society at large. I am sure there are many more surprises to come as the events unfold one by one today. All of us are eagerly looking forward to it. So thank you once again, and I wish everyone a pleasant day today. Thank you.
Thanked everybody. Now nobody to thank him. So I thank Sir Nayan for the words of gratitude expressed for all of us. With this, we end with the first part of our celebration. I now solemnly hand the mic over to Sister Edwina, who has an exciting game for you. So kindly stand for the game.
Also is required. You can, if you come far, you see how it is. It depends on you. But you collect the maximum balls in your bucket. Whichever person you want to go, whichever bucket you want to go, this bucket will be empty. No. From everywhere one ball. Even if you are collecting from this ball, from there also one. Whether you collect from wherever you collect, one ball. And first from the center bucket. Then center bucket will empty. After that, then otherwise as you go, we should not so you have to save your balls also. You have no touching the ball. Okay. Now shall we will have okay now we have now we will be not having demo, directly we will play. The first group, those who are joining first group will not join. Do you want demo?
5. एक पावर कुठून तरी आणलं असेल. So, तालियां इनके लिए. Congratulations to you.